All right. I owe you guys a little bit of an update here. I haven't done much to it recently. Brakes are still cut, but unfortunately, they're still firmly stuck on, preventing me from taking it for an official test drive. I did let it heat up the other day, and I noticed that the fan clutch wasn't engaging, so I replaced the fan clutch. See, it's nice and shiny and new down there. One update is I got a sweet new metallic purple Daytona jack, but I'm going to put these wheels on here and then get it moved over into there. This thing still doesn't run. The ECU is out to get retuned, but I've been spending the last month or so cleaning out the garage here because this MGB is going to go right around here where all this chalk mark is. And then this is the Rust-Oleum painted Mustang. You can see it looks good from afar, but it is far from good. I don't know if you guys can see any of the sanding marks in there. Not really good. I did really poor prep work on it. There's a nice run in the hood there, but other than that, for a $500 car, it looks pretty good. This thing is an on and off again project. That's another MGB back there. But let me put you guys on time lapse, and I'm going to get the wheels on the. Next thing we've got to do here is just connect the battery and start it up and see if it'll move under its own power for the first time in about 20 years. So let me get that done. All right, got a little dark here, but started and running. Parking brake off. I can hear the suspension pump in the back is not happy and it's trying to go, but we'll finally see if this thing will move on its own for the first time in about 20 years. It's going to be a little difficult because the front brakes are stuck, but oh, there they go. Nice. It's, not the best, but yeah. Steering works. Brakes are spongy. That gauge cluster doesn't work. I've never tightened the steering wheel, so it could fall off. It's got a little miss. Let's see if some of these lights work. Some of the lights work. Yeah. Oh, it's really not happy, but you know. Forward reverse work. So that's good. Brakes don't work very well. Backing up everywhere in here. Most of these dash lights don't work. Well, still got a ton of work to do on this thing, but it drives, which is awesome. Well, there you go. Quick, short, very uneventful first drive on this thing. See if this transmission slips at all. Well, it does burnouts too. I can hear the turbo going. Awesome. Well, there you go. First burnout in 20 years too. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy, but I'll talk to you guys later. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.